Hey guys, Kyle here. Just up here at Shiny Mountain, doing an epoxy floor for these guys in their new service building. So this is going to be where they're keeping their snow cats, all of their large heavy equipment. So we have came in, we have grinded the floor down to a 2 profile. It has been partially primed and is being primed now with a water-based product, Epoxy. And then we're going to follow it up with a really thick mill system with quartz broadcast into it. And we're going to top coat with a polyurea to be stable. Same color as this. Should hold up to their hydraulic fluids, any of their oils and grease, all of their tools, and the sunshine. So they should be ready to rock and roll, drive their big heavy machines on it, get it dirty as soon as we get done.
Our mission on this job is to do this epoxy floor, so these machines right here do not damage the floor. So we have to go with a high build epoxy system. It's approximately 4 coats of a high build epoxy with the sand silica aggregate going into it to withstand those treads right there that you see.